so we're doing a super cute, I did have to write super cute, kind of weird on it, SHEIN haul, okay? Super cute, hopefully not that super long. It is everything very stylish, very trendy, perfect for the fall, might I add. Like this vest, which I'll talk about in a little bit. I got a couple tops, I think I got a couple cardigans, perfect for the fall season. I did get a couple leopard items because leopard is in, and I'm so excited because I was gonna say the Gen Z, wow. I'm a millennial, I'm not a Gen Z. The millennial in me is so thinking like cheetah girls, cheetah sisters kind of vibes, you know, very Y2K. I love the cheetah stuff. I'm obsessed with the cheetah stuff. Freaking love it. I'm so happy that it's here. But yeah, so I got a SHEIN order. I'm very excited to show you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and tune into that video. First thing that I want to show you is this vest. Look at how beautiful and soft. Look at how soft. Look at how it moves. Look at how it moves. The vest is like, that's so freaking comfy. It is cropped, so it is on the cropped side. It has the zipper. It keeps you super warm, like more warm than I thought it was gonna be. That's the inside of it. But yeah, it was from the SHEIN Easy Wear Curve line or whatever kind of crap. I got it in the size 0XL, size 12 for $9.55. Let's see if it is still on sale. It's $7.47. It is less money. Do they do price adjustments? I don't think so. I think I bought this more than a month ago, but I believe kind of like TEMU, other store, Temu, they do price adjustments, but I haven't figured out how to do it. I think it's the same way where you go to my orders and you do more and you do request price adjustment. Every time I do it though, it doesn't do the price adjustment, so I don't know if I'm broken or it's broken. I'm thinking it's broken, not me. But yeah, so it's very cute. Let's go ahead and do a full outfit. Let's try this on. Let's try it on. I wish it had pockets. That's the only thing that I wanted to have pockets, but it does zip up all the way. So if you put it up, it does zip up all the way. It's still very fluffy, very comfy. You can wear like this. I'm just wearing some joggers. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. This is the back of it. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, that's it. I'm not going. Okay, before we move on to the next item, I do want to say a huge thank you to Vooglam for gifting me these next 4 items. So let's go ahead and roll that clip. Vooglam is an online glasses shop where you can get everything from sunglasses to prescription glasses. You can choose your lenses, you can choose your frames, and then pop in whatever prescription lenses you want in it, or you can also do the blue blocker lenses, is which actually I have in this one. This is called Galarza, and these are black rectangular frames adorned with sparkles, glitters, and everything. It just catches the light. It has a sleek look to it, and I wanted these to be specifically for work. You can use my code Sally15, which is this code right here, on anything on the Vooglam shop. All you have to do is shop and check out. Check out Sally15, and you can all get the discount for 15% off. But yeah, I thought these were going to be super cute for work, specifically because they have the blue light blocking on them. You don't have to have the blue light blocking. You can get your prescription, or you can make these into sunglasses as well. These next ones are called Najwa glasses. These are comfort. They look very pretty with the light pink. They are soft frames. They do come with a cleaning cloth. Each single one comes with the orange cleaning cloth like I was cleaning it. And these are so funky and fresh and cool, specifically with the sparkle of the stars in it. And again, these are just the clear lenses, but you can add your prescription or your sunglasses. And don't forget to use the code Sally15 to get it off when you just check out. It's gonna be perfect for work. The lenses are a 49mm width, bridge is 23mm width. And you can get these in multiple sizes, small, medium, large. If you have a bigger head, you can get it in a large. These are my favorites. Aren't they so fun? These are the Hannah glasses. They're geometric design and they're constructed with durable materials. They are sustainable, and honestly, it's just so freaking cute. These are my favorite. That's it. These are my favorite. These are hands down my favorite. Look at the freaking hearts. Aren't these so trendy and funky and fresh? And I can see myself at work typing away, picking up phone calls with customers, typing my work life away basically. But I should be so stylish in these glasses. Don't you guys think? Okay, let me know what your favorite glasses are so far. Like I said, you can always just order the lenses in any type of the frames that you would like. Like if you want your prescription, you can. If you want the sunglasses, you can. And these last purple ones, these are honestly, the color just got to me. The geometric design got to me. These are called Faridah. It's called Faridah. They're designed both with beauty, with function. There are a variety of colors. I think I saw these like in a green color. I did get the purple because purple is my favorite color. I love the geometric design of these because I just feel like it accentuates my face shape. Like I think it's really cute. And then again, at work, they're gonna look cute with all my purple outfits because I do love purple so much. Don't forget to use my code SELLY15 at checkout. They are having this huge Black Friday sale where everything is up to almost 70% off. I did see that they were having some flash sales for $1. Again, all you have to do is Google Vooglam. If you do use my code, you will get 15% off on top of the Black Friday deals, I believe. Black Friday is going on up into December 2nd, from now into December 2nd, so go ahead and get your glasses and save your money. Again, if you are interested, this is how it came in the packaging. Vooglam, I do have all 4 styles, which my mom actually took one. Fun fact, I came home and she was wearing them. I was like, Mom, I need to wear those for a video. You can't take them yet. She already claimed the black ones, okay? I'm so excited to wear the pink ones. I'm gonna wear them to work. I am so happy. But yeah, if you do, oh my god, I almost showed you my address. If you do like Vooglam, all the information is going to be linked down below in the description and a pinned comment. You'll be able to find all the information. Thank you so much, Vooglam. Let's go ahead and go back into that SHEIN haul. Okay, so I got a sweater. You're telling me, Sally, don't you have a closet full of sweaters? Yes, I do. Am I gonna get more sweaters? Yes, I am, because I freaking love sweaters. Okay, that is who I am. I love sweaters so much. Turn into this sweater. This is always so, you cannot tell me you weren't gonna buy this if you didn't see it either. Look at how beautiful this is. Isn't this very trendy right now? I feel like grandma aesthetic mixed with Y2K is the style right now. Don't they call it like coquette? Isn't it like this is coquette kind of thing? But we all know that it's grandma style, okay? But I do think this is so trendy, so freaking cute. I do like that it has the different colors in the stitching. Like look at all the different colors of it, and then it has it on the sleeves. Oh, it's a bubble sleeve. Like it bubbles up and then it cinches in. Oh, it's so cute. And then it's kind of like this lettuce on the trim. Like it kind of has like a little lettuce material kind of deal. It's just so cute. It's so warm and it's stretchy. Oh my. And it's cropped. It's cropped, perfect for my physique because I am on the shorter side, so I do like wearing cropped things so it can even out my proportions and then I look normal. I'm obsessed. I haven't even worn it. I'm telling you. I'm obsessed. I am. My chair needs to, I need to stop squeaking with this chair. This is also from the SHEIN Easy Wear. Same thing with this. I got it for $14. It's $10 now. I bought it for $14. It's $10 now, man. SHEIN SHEIN Unity Elegant Women's Knitted Cardigan Sweater. There is so many different colors in this. They had a brown, they had a hot pink, they have a green, a purple, they have a different style. The white one, which is the one I got, they have a creamy color. I got the white one. I got the size large because I thought it was just so cute. And this is adorable. This is adorable. Oh, let's go ahead and try it on. Do you see how cute this top is? Do you see the cuteness of the sweater? Look at it. The pattern on the details of the sweater. Hold on. Is it too bright? Is it too bright? Tell me. There we go. Okay, I'm going to turn it down so you can actually see the true colors of the sweater. Look at it. Look at the colors. Oh, it's adorable. It's adorable. You can button it up. So cute. Stop it. Look at how adorable this is. I can get the button. I'm not gonna get the button. Okay. Oh, okay, this is the back of it. Stop it. This is the cutest sweater ever. This is the cutest sweater ever. Cutest ever. Okay, let's do the next item, which is another leopard item because I like leopard. And I thought this was a beautiful silky top. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this leopard top. Look at this top. Look at it. It is so beautiful. Is this leopard or is this cheetah? This is cheetah. This is leopard. Or is it the other way? Or am I crazy? Let me know down below in the comments. Am I crazy? Probably. It does have the lettuce kind of material at the bottom. This sleeve looks so tiny, but I bet you it's gonna look cute. And then it does tie in the front. I don't know if you can see the vision, but I see the vision with like a lacy bra and a high-waisted black jeans. Oh, or like a black tank top. Like you can even wear a black tank top if you don't want to do like a lacy bra because it is so low cut, and then it just ties in the front. I thought this was so cute. You have to see the picture. You have to see the vision that I'm looking at, okay? Just wait till I show you the picture and then you be like, that is too revealing. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, maybe it is, but I thought it was so cute. Look at that. That's what I'm thinking. High-waisted pants, maybe with like a lacy bra, or I can wear a tank top underneath. I got this in, I think 1XL, 0XL. It's $6.96. I paid $6.80, so I paid almost the same. I got it in 1XL, size 14. This is the SHEIN Icon Cheetah Print plus size woman leopard something, whatever. Okay, anyways, so cute, so soft. Let's go ahead and try it on. This is a bra. Thinking like a little lacy bra like this would be adorable. You guys like not think so? It's such a mood. My hair clipped like this. Where the hell's my hair clip? This is what I'm talking about. My hair clip in the back. This is a mood with some, imagine this with some black jeans. Ooh. Oh. This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. So cute. Isn't it? Adorable. Adorable. Ooh, I got something pink and it's perfect for the winter time. Oh, it's so soft. I love it. Oh. So I got this little cute sweater with a cute little fuzzy collar. Oh, this is so cute. It can be a pink and red Christmas, and then it has pink sleeves, the fuzzy sleeves. And it has a zipper. I could wear a white long sleeve underneath so I'm not that cold, and then I could wear this over it. Oh, this is a cute little sweater. Isn't it adorable? It's just a cute sweater. I believe this is an XL. This is on the bigger side. Like I could tell this is gonna fit me like true to size. Like it's gonna be pretty good. It is thinner, more thin than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm glad that it has the fuzzy accessories so I can stay warm on my neck, and then I could stay warm with my hands. That's gonna be cute. So this is the SHEIN Slayer plus size spring and autumn casual fuzzy. Well, fuzzies are going on my nose. Fuzzy patchwork ribbed knit crop jacket. I got it in 1XL. 1XL size 14. I got it for $12.48. It's on sale for $8 right now. Another one that I should have got a price adjustment, but I think it's too late for me. $8. So if you like this, it's $8 right now while I'm recording. I don't know if it's going to be available. The thing with like SHEIN and like Temu, you have to get them like right away or they kind of sell out. So I never chance it. Like if I like something, I keep it in my cart for like a little bit, maybe like a week. But if I'm still thinking about it and still thinking about it and still thinking about it, then I get it. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. We can be Barbie for Christmas, okay? We can. My pink fantasies never stop. I like pink, I like purple. This was purple. Oh, stop it. This is still very cute though. You don't think so? What if I go like this? What if I, no. I do think it needs like a little like that. And I think that's cuter, but this is adorable. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know what you think. This is adorable. This is adorable. Let's pose. Cute. Okay, then I got two more items. Let's do the headband because it's very easy. So I got this really cute gray headband. It's so tiny. Is this how tiny like it's supposed to be? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be bigger than this, right? But that's the headband. It's thick. I mean, I guess. I mean, my head's tiny, okay? I wear like children's size hats. So my head is tiny, but this to me, I guess it can't stretch. So I just got a headband. I want to get into more headbands, wearing them more often when my hair is a little greasy and I don't want to do the top but the bottom still looks kind of good, you know, kind of thing. And this was $1.94, and this is by Solid Hair Band Casual Dark Gray, one size, and it's still $1.94. I want to get a couple cheetah print ones because I think it's going to be really cute to combine like cheetah and like a dark sweater jacket with like leggings and boots. I think that's gonna be really cute. And then last but not least is this top. This top looks so cute. I hope I could still wear it. Like, I know there's some days in the horizon that I see that are like 80 degrees, even though we're filming in November and I'm in Southern California. I still see in the horizon some 80-degree weather, and I'm hoping that I could wear this, or I could wear like a black long sleeve underneath and then wear this. So freaking cute. So this is like a spaghetti strap top. I don't know if you can see the vision, but this is very in style right now with all of the ties. You can tie it into little bows. Let me actually tie it right now. This is taking forever. There's literally 5 bows that I've already tied. Oh my goodness, imagine you were drinking doing this. That would be crazy. Okay, so that is the top. I don't know if you could tell now with the bows, it is super, super cute. Then you can tie it. What I like is that it's adjustable, so you can put it lower, you can put it higher, because you can adjust to how you want it. Or you can even crisscross it, like you can crisscross the front, crisscross the back. That would be pretty cool too. Honestly, that's a pretty cool top, so you can style it many different ways. It is on the thinner side though. It is double lined in the front where the boobage area is, so it does have a double lining, which is nice. But other than that, that's the only part that's double lined, and it's kind of a little see-through. So you might just want to wear some like sticky pads, sticky boobies on this, because I don't think you can wear a bra with this. That's the only thing. But other than that, isn't it the cutest little top ever with all of the different strings? I know you're like, what the hell is that? I know what you're saying, but look at the vision. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. Isn't that so pretty? It's $7.87. I got it for $12. It's $7 now. Oh my god. I think with some, I don't like it with that skirt. That skirt's ugly. I'm thinking like black jeans or leggings and some boots. I really want some. Does anyone know where I can buy thick thigh boots, thick calves actually? Because every single boot that I try on does not go over with my calves. None of them. None of the boots go over my calves. I have not found a boot. Prove me wrong that there's thick calf boots. You know, this is thick girl friendly. No ma'am. I cannot find one for the life of me. Everywhere I go, does not fit me. So please send them my way. And I have regular size thighs. I don't even think my thighs are big. Maybe I'm a little chunky, but they're not like huge. Okay, I'm not like 600 pounds or anything. I'm like 180. So I should be able to fit into calves for boots. I can't. Someone find me some good boots. You know how much money of a business that would be if I already threw it and I didn't even put it on. How much money of a business that would be for thick thigh boots? Maybe I should come up with that business and actually fit shoes that actually fits thick thigh girls. Oh my goodness, that would be amazing. Amazing. I would solve a problem. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, I don't know if this was what I envisioned, but here's the headband. The headband's cute. Don't you think so? The headband's super cute. I don't know where the headband. Oh. And then this is the shirt. I think I just need to play around with this. Like, this looks a little cuter than this one, so maybe I just need to put it down more. And then just imagine it with some black pants. Very cute, very cute. And that was my Shein haul. What did you think? What was your favorite item? Honestly, I really love this fuzzy, what do you call this? Sweater vest jacket kind of thing. It's keeping me really, really warm right now. I did use this for Halloween. I was a little cheetah and I used this and I did a little cheetah makeup all over myself. So honestly, this is my favorite item. Can't tell me twice. That sweater though, that white sweater is adorable. Let me know what your favorite item was down below. Thank you so much, Vooglam, again for gifting me those items, helping out with this channel. What did you think of those glasses? I think I'm still debating between the white ones or the checkered ones. Let me know what you think looks better on me. Thank you so much for coming. My name was Sally. If you like this type of style, these types of vibes, I do have a lot of unboxings on this video. I have a lot of clothing hauls, so many clothing hauls on this channel. So if you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video before you leave. Don't forget to click the little notification bell to be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.